So I was out just checking things out this morning, and I ran into an issue where I have standing water over here, and it looks like my pressure regulator valve going into just my backyard. Look at this thing. Set it at 50 psi. There's like this model number. I can't really see the size. It's an old one. It's got to be 1984. That's the year of my house. I bet this thing is from 1984, from way back when. It's just spraying off the side. Look at that. So that's what we're fixing today. Let's go find some stuff. I'm not exactly sure how to do it, but we'll go talk to someone who knows what they're doing, and we'll figure it out. All right, we've been here before. We got to turn off the water. But I think we lost about 1,500 gallons to that small little leak in the back. Okay, water's off. Now, we got to dig this whole thing out. All right, here's the plan, y'all. What we need to do is there's this nice little joint here. We need to move this over just a hair, and we're going to take this off. I think I have another one of those. We're going to unscrew that. We need a bigger pipe here. This was replaced recently, and then we need to go this way a little bit so we can put a section of pipe in and reconnect all that. That's the plan. But this is broken. We need to take care of it. So just need to dig it out. Well, hey, we did it. We put it back together. We got a valve back in. It's going the right direction, and I think that's it. So we were able to take out the old valve, which was really great, but it had a repair here. It had this compression valve here, and it had another one here. So we replaced all of that and just made a nice clean pipe that if anything goes wrong in the future, we've got plenty of space to work. We can just cut it and just don't have to dig out the entire thing again. This is a 60 psi regulator valve, and then I just got two ends on it. All right, we are fully pressurized. Oh, that's looking good. No leaks. Perfect. So we had it off for about 4 hours. It says to cure for about 2 hours before you set it up to full pressure, but that's at 60 degrees or above. We're down at about 40 degrees. So I let it go for about 4 hours, and looks like it held pretty well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.